Oh, hey, buddy. What's up, buddy? Today, I'm gonna work on this roof rack. Okay, let's do it. Seriously? What? Wow. Wow, what? I'm not gonna say nothing. Good, just watch the video. I'm not gonna say a word. Okay, so I don't know what that was about. But anyway, I'm using brass rod for this. Brass rod, got it. I got the long piece in the back. Wait, toward the edge of the mat. Talking about, I got that long piece just to keep everything in line. I'm not using that. I mean, I'm not gonna solder that to anything. Why not? But I got my piece bent up. Okay. I got my other pieces cut up, and taping them down with the masking tape to my mat. And I'm going to put flux on my joints. Whoa, you can't say that on this channel. You know how I do it. Oh, you said flux. So now, getting ready to solder everything up. Now keep in mind, I'm not the best. Is this you being humble? Because I mean, you pretty good. I appreciate it. You just make a BB. Yeah, I made a BB. Yeah, I take back everything I said about you. That was good. Anyway, like I was saying, I'm soldering up these pieces right here. And once this rod get hot, once the brass get hot, oh man, it get really, really hot. You sound like a fool. And the hotter it get, the better the solder flow. When it get hot, it get hot. It get really hot. The more I start, the more I mess with this, the easier it gets. This is going on that lowrider, by the way. So you can kind of see where I'm going with it. You know, got the station wagon lowrider, and it's gonna have a roof rack on top. Okay. I think it's gonna look nice. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna look clean. You might not see my vision. I see your vision. I see it. But just trust me. I got a nice little idea of how I want this lowrider to look. So just keep watching, check it out. I said I see your vision. What more do you want me to say? Nothing.
That's hot. That's hot. That's hot. That's hot.
So at this point, I'm done soldering. I put my soldering iron up. TMI. I'm looking at my piece. That means tell more info. See, right now, it looked like a wide tooth cone. Not really. We gotta do some trimming. Let's go ahead and see how it look on the car first. You know what I'm saying? So you can kind of see where I'm going with it. Oh, it matches that line at the top. That looking good. I don't know what it's called. Yeah, I guess don't know either. The body line or whatever on the roof. I don't know. The roof line? I don't know what it is. It's called the roof line. But I think that's something else. A little chevron pattern or whatever at the top. It kind of matches that. So, yeah. So now I'm going to trim these pieces off before I get to grinding on them. Now the thing about this, when you're trimming your pieces off, you want to make sure that you can hold them, or whatever, or get something to hold them, maybe tape them down or something, I don't know. I got some tape. But if you don't, when you cut them off, they're going to go flying all over your truck, and you'll have to find them later, you know, probably in your foot, when you're walking barefoot in your truck. I don't know. Anyway, here's how it's going to look on the top of the car before the grinding. It's going to look nice. It ain't going to be brass colored either. I'm going to chrome it up. It might look nice brass. Pretty sure I'm gonna chrome it up. Okay. Either chrome or gold. So yeah, I got my Dremel out. Grinding it down. Getting it looking nice. Very time consuming. And when you grind it on metal, you know it's gonna get hot, so I keep having to deal with that. What do you mean deal with that? Slowing me down a little bit, but yeah, all that's nice. I get it done. Can we speed this up? Sure, buddy. Just a little bit. I mean, whoa. Yeah, what was you saying? You said something about speed it up? Okay, bet. So now, I'm marking my holes where I'm going to be drilling so that I can install my roof rack. Hey, pause the video. I'll be back, man. I got to go take care of this right quick. Just pause the video. We can finish it up later. Marking it with a red Sharpie, of course. Now you want to make sure you mark it right, because if you get off just a little bit, it's going to throw off the whole look. You know what I'm saying? So just take your time, mark it right. And I got my little pin vise drill right here, drilling the little holes. I don't know what size it is, but I know it's the same diameter of the brass rod that I'm using. So about to drill my second hole, and then we'll be ready to go. Now I got a piece of brass. I'm just testing the hole out, testing to make sure it's the right size, you know, so it can fit just right, not too big, not too small. So here we go. Fingers crossed. Okay. Okay. It's working. I think. Wait, is it? Okay, wait, here we go. Here we go. Wait. It up. Okay. I think it's gonna work. Oh yeah. Thank you. So as you can see, you know, our look is accomplished. You know, we got the roof rack. Looks nice. It looked really nice. It looked better than I thought it would, actually. So yeah, there you go. How to make you a nice roof rack for your station wagon or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Out of brass. You know I like to mess with that brass. So yeah, get you some brass and some soldering equipment. You know what I'm saying? Get you a soldering iron and play around with it. You'll love it. You know what I'm saying? So here go a recap on my hydros. And I guess I'm out. You know what I'm saying? All right, man. I'm back. Now let's finish up this video.